Hi, this is Bob Gibbs and welcome to The Truth in the News. This is July 2nd, 2011. And two quick articles today, and then I wanted to mention something about this holiday we're in the middle of right now. One article in CNBC says pending home sales rebound in May 8.2%. And another article in CNBC saying home price headlines hide the true picture. This is the dichotomy that we're dealing with, and the interesting analysis that we're getting from all the professionals. But basically, one article is saying sort of what we said a few episodes ago regarding pending home sales and how they've been going up, and that's exactly what we've been seeing here in the East Bay, and now we're starting to see that across the whole country. So the notion of home sales going down and everything, I'm not saying prices are going up, but home sales are actually going up. And across the country now, over the last 12 months, it looks like they're up 13%. So that's a sign that a lot of buyers are out there, interest rates are low. There's a lot of reasons to actually get engaged and to buy a home these days. The other article, however, talks about how these kind of headlines hide the truth, and really what this what the writer of that article is going to get into the issue for her is that all these things they don't take into account the seasonality of real estate. We're not adjusting for year-over-year growth or decline, things like that. And quite frankly, I mean that's economist talk. Sure, I mean there's some validity to all that stuff, but really the bottom line for most people that are either buying or selling homes these days is that they want to know, is my home going up or down in value if you're a seller, and is it a good time to sell or not? Or if you're a buyer, should I wait? Are prices going to be going down, or interest rates going to be going up? Those are the things that are most important. I mean, what happened 2 or 3 years ago is really irrelevant from a consumer perspective. I mean, from an economist perspective, that's what they live for. But for most people, it's not. They're looking at, okay, I need to buy a house today, or I need to sell a house today. What's the environment? So the only thing I say in the East Bay right now, it's very strong actually. As I mentioned, sales are up. Prices in some areas have ratcheted up a little bit, but they're fairly flat. Homes are selling. What I will say though, at the very high price points, very high, like 1.1 and above, we're seeing homes sit for quite a while. A home that's really well priced and looks really good and stuff, sure, they'll get it sold fairly quickly. But in general, homes in that higher price point are kind of sitting a little bit. So bottom line from these two articles is that yes, pending home sales are up, prices are pretty flat, and while a lot of these articles don't take into account a lot of the specific economic details that a lot of the economists and financial purists are looking for, the bottom line is they're giving you, and what we give you is a snapshot of what it's at today and just our best estimate of where we think it's heading. So it's a good time to do either both, buy or sell. The other part of this is I just wanted to wish everyone a very happy July 4th. This is one of my favorite holidays, and what I would encourage you to do, if you don't already have a kind of a family tradition to do this, read a story about Paul Revere or one of the founding fathers to your children or grandchildren. Make sure that they understand the sacrifices that people made so that we actually are able to buy homes like this in this great country of ours. Have a great 4th. Be safe. Maybe you can find a place to enjoy some fireworks, but always please take time to reflect on the reason for this holiday and the sacrifices of those founding fathers and all the heroes that have gone on before us. So with that, God bless. Have a great 4th. Bye.